Algorithms are quietly shaping your financial future right now, and you might not even realize it. This isn't just unsettling, it's a warning. These algorithms designed to predict economic trends are riddled with biases. Many believe technology will lead to a fairer world, but that belief could be your greatest risk. The systems guiding your investments and job opportunities may distort reality in ways you can't see. Think it's not serious. Consider this: when applying for a loan, you trust your credit score, but what if the algorithm behind the scenes recognizes only data that favors certain groups? Your financial future could hinge on hidden criteria you never knew existed. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. These biases can send shockwaves through the economy, affecting everything from job opportunities to housing markets. You might feel secure now, but what dangers are lurking beneath the surface? Picture yourself in a thriving city, excited about career prospects. But what if the algorithm predicting industry trends has built-in biases? It could steer investment away from your field, leaving you behind. Now, imagine your neighbor landing the last spot in a transformative training program. Why did they get it? Their profile matched what the I deemed successful, not because they were more qualified, but because the algorithm favored them without you ever knowing. This is just an individual issue, it's a community crisis. The economy is a living organism, and flawed predictive insights can lead to widespread inequality. As we unravel this tangled web of algorithms, we must confront a critical question: how can we trust these predictive models? The deeper we dig, the clearer it becomes that the solution lies in recognizing the human biases that drive these systems. Before we move forward, take a moment to grasp the weight of this hidden danger. The first step is awareness. By questioning the data and demanding transparency, you empower yourself and others to make informed choices. Imagine a future where you're not just a passive participant but an informed advocate for change. You have the power to challenge the status quo and uplift overlooked voices. Ultimately, it's not just about safeguarding your financial future, it's about creating a fairer world for everyone. So as you navigate your day, remember this: while algorithms may be sophisticated, your awareness can be even more powerful. Stay curious, stay informed, and don't let unseen biases dictate your life. If this resonates with you, share it. Let's ignite the conversation and push for the change we all deserve. Imagine waking up one morning to find your bank account completely empty, all because of an algorithm's prediction. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Unfortunately, this unsettling reality about our biases in predicting economic trends is more common than you might think. As we increasingly rely on AI for financial insights, just a simple mistake in data selection could send the economy spiraling. Now, picture this: you're at a coffee shop. It sounds reassuring, but here's the catch: those predictions are frequently flawed. You might feel secure, but the models we trust are often based on past biases. Let's explore this further. Imagine a small business owner relying on these insights to make key decisions. They might invest heavily based on an algorithm that overlooks certain demographic shifts, leading to plummeting sales. What happened? It's not just bad luck, it's a sign of an eye that failed to adapt to a changing environment. And this is just hypothetical. Remember the 2008 financial crisis. Many relied on models that ignored human unpredictability, leading to a catastrophic collapse. What if we're heading toward another crisis, this time obscured by technology? The tension rises as we realize these biases aren't merely statistical quirks, they are ticking time bombs that can affect your life in ways you might not even recognize. If you believe your financial future is secure because of technology, think again. Algorithms are only as reliable as the data they are trained on. So how can we protect ourselves? First and foremost, awareness is key. Start questioning the sources behind those predictions. Dig deeper into the data. It might feel uncomfortable, but it's essential. As you reflect on this, remember that while technology can guide us, it shan't control our lives. The next time you hear about an AI prediction, take a moment to consider whether we're letting machines shape our decisions without fully understanding their flaws. In a data-driven world, staying alert is crucial. The unsettling truth is that the power of prediction depends not just on numbers, but on the choices we make with them. Stay curious, stay informed, and don't let biases dictate your future. What if I told you that the technology designed to predict economic trends might actually lead us into a minefield of biases? It sounds unbelievable, but let's dive into it together. Every day, complex algorithms analyze vast amounts of data. However, these algorithms may not be as neutral as we think. Many people don't realize that biases embedded in AI can distort predictions, impacting our financial futures in ways we can't even fathom. Imagine waking up one morning, checking your investments, and discovering they've plummeted just because an AI misinterpreted a trend due to its flawed programming. This is just a hypothetical situation. It's happening right now, and most people are completely unaware. So why does this occur? The answer lies in the data itself. AI systems learn from historical data, but if that data reflects societal biases like discrimination in lending, those biases get amplified, creating a damaging cycle. Consider a small business owner trying to secure a loan. They could be unfairly assessed by an AI that relies on outdated data instead of recognizing their business's true potential. The consequences are significant. This issue goes beyond finances and touches on lost opportunities and shattered dreams. Now let's take it a step further. What if entire markets could collapse, not due to economic downturns, but because a prediction model miscalculated due to its inherent biases? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But there's hope. Some experts are diligently working to identify these biases, exploring ways to train AI with more diverse and representative datasets. This shift could fundamentally transform how we approach economic predictions. Still, progress is slow and time is critical. The longer we ignore the troubling reality of AI biases, the more vulnerable we become. So what can you do? Stay informed. Pay attention